All glories to Amrita and Dhanvantari, the supreme divine healers. So, today I'd like to share an edited version of a text I was recently introduced to in regards to the social situation at the moment. So these are some thoughts to consider. Sorry? No, not sorry. We say love wish. Why should I have to stay home because you are scared? How about you stay home? You stay in your house indefinitely. You wear a mask. You socially distance yourself from me. You avoid restaurants. You avoid sports games or large events. You stay off the roads. You avoid malls, beaches and parks. You may choose to believe the made-up death numbers. You may believe the media hype. You may get your toxic vaccine. While avoiding organic food, herbs, vitamin C, sunshine, prayer and the other good things that God gave us to actually heal. I'm done playing your scapegoat game. We are not all in this together. I'm not wearing your symbol of submission. I'm not going to be a prisoner of your fear. I'm not staying in my house or catering to you because you are scared. I'm not wearing a mask, and I'm not staying 6 feet away from you because I'm not afraid of you. You're not my enemy, and I am not a criminal. And if I should get sick, it's not because of you, it's because of me, my karma and my system, which I also know how to take care of naturally. This so-called virus, or whatever it may be caused by toxins and radiation, would have already been circulating probably since last September, and millions of people would have already encountered it. You will have to confront this thing if you haven't already. There is no way around it. Maybe not even if you lock yourself up in your house and it somehow manages to hop on some email, on some mail or some groceries that you ordered online delivered by a sterile robot. Your fear is not an excuse to destroy our country. Your fear is not my fear, and your fear does not have the right to interfere with my life, my job, my income, or my future as a free soul in God's land. So if you're scared, you can just put your mask on. But please keep your fear contained to your little world and don't try to impose it on me and my family. Not just in this land. This message is for the whole world of OM.Love. So in this sense, may the OM.Love be with you. Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.